start of our walk, the 7 Hanging Valleys it's called. So we just started, 10 meters in. It's 6K. Anyway, long walk. Beautiful though. See you in a bit. 2 minutes into the walk, more video. Just the different kinds of landscape that's here. House over there. We started early, so hopefully it's not going to be too jammed. Absolutely gorgeous. Into the walk. Every so often these little signposts that we've missed a couple and gone the wrong way. Continue on. Walking along. Came up to this beauty beach here. I don't know what it's called, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Using the same adjectives every time, but I don't have any more. Killer. Walking along, and Chris noticed this. I don't know if you can see or not, but these are shells right in the ground. Apparently this was more shells here. This was the seafloor at one time. How many millions of years ago? See all the shells in there. Coming around corners and finding all these beautiful spots. Make sure you don't fall over the edge, it's right there. And it's probably 40 meters down. I see that, yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh yeah, cave down here on the beach. Walking along, found some barricades, can hear the ocean. Whoa. Oh, I think this is Benadryl Cave. I think so. Looks like it, maybe, yeah. Whew. We've, oh my God. Beautiful.
2 years ago, you were able to come to the beach inside of the cave. At the moment, you are not able to. It is against the law.
Just past the Benadryl Cave, and we saw all these beautiful houses up on the hill. These poor people must have a tough life. Sun every day, ocean. Biatch down there. They do not tell you this on the map, but if you come off the trail, you gotta go all the way down there and all the way up this beast of a hill. Ugh. Back onto the trail soon. On the walk, modern technology, ATM. Like it's not well signed. Hopefully we can find it. Cute little village here now though. We are back on the trail. We missed it somehow. Surprise, surprise. You see over the cliffs there. There's a little walkway that goes in. It's closed off now. And then those stairs, we gotta go up and then continue on. All right, 104 stairs later. Continue on. This wasn't mentioned. scratchies here. On the path. Fun. Another corner, another surprise. Nice little spot to sit and chill. And then lighthouse over there, and get close enough. Yeah. Again, tough life. Tough life. Trying to get to the edge up here without falling in. It's funny, they have these railings here, and then it's just, you're on your own, bud. I'm not going too close to the edge, but could be the last video I ever take if that's the case. Woo. Beauty. I'm backing off. Just came around the corner of where I videoed before, and this is the cave that's there, carved out by the ocean. So cool, I thought I'd video. Chris just said, another corner, another surprise. Break the rules. Can't read the sign. Just, get a bit of a view from around here. Wow. Can't even see down the bottom, go around the corner. It was not Pirate's Cave, I got it wrong, it's just a big hole. The ocean is angry today. Continuing on the path. Ocean down below. The trees now, it's nice and cool. It's a very warm one today. Come out of the trees. Look at this beautiful beach down there. And more of the same. Alright. Made it to the lighthouse. Another corner, another hanging valley as it's called. I have no idea what number we're at. Onward and upward. Alright, this is the most impressive part of the walk so far. This corner, again, could be the last video I ever take if I get too close. Whew. This place is up top there. Way up. Cruise ship off in the distance. We will continue. We're at the end of the 7 Hanging Valley hike. Ends up in this gorgeous little beach. Not sure what it's called. I'll find the name and put it on the screen so everybody knows. Anyway, that was awesome.